Hey, I'm Daniel. I'm a sales professional for Von Arden here in North America. One outcome that we learned here at Intersolar is that there is really a strong push for local manufacturing. We know that there's a lot of manufacturing, of course, in thin film PV, but also now we're feeling a big push into production of silicon solar cells, all the way from ingot, wafer, back to the cells, and of course modules, which has already been existing here in the States.
Already in the US, we provided more than 70 equipment for mass production photovoltaics. And in the world, we have more than 43 gigawatt equipment provided to the industry. So come to us, talk about heterojunction, talk to us about IBC, talk to us about TOPCon. And for the next stage, talk about the next stage, tandem photovoltaics. Come to us, visit us. We are very happy to join you.
The sun gives us all the power we need, not only in California but worldwide. Von Arden provides the tools to use it, whether it's photovoltaics for coating of wafers and glass, or in hydrogen for coating bipolar plates.